In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your address on the Shein app. Whether you're clearing out old information or just tidying up your account, this process is straightforward and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Shein app on your device. Once the app is up, you need to log into your account using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you're one step ahead. Look towards the bottom of your screen and locate the option that says Me. This is your personal hub where you can manage all things related to your account. With the Me section open, your next move is to scroll through and find your address book. This is where all your saved addresses are stored, and it's likely towards the middle to bottom of the list. Tap on the address book to open it. Here, you should see all the addresses you've entered into your account. Now, take a moment to find the address you want to delete. It's helpful to review the list carefully, especially if you have several addresses saved on your account. Once you've identified the address you wish to remove, you're going to make your selection. Depending on the version of your app, you'll either see an edit icon, which looks like a little pencil, or you might need to swipe left on the address entry to reveal further options. After you've accessed the editing options for the address you'd like to remove, look for the delete option. It might appear as a word or an icon like a trash bin indicative of removal. Give that a tap. At this point, the app will likely ask you to confirm this action with a pop-up message ensuring this is really what you want to do. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. And just like that, you've successfully deleted the address from your Shein account. Now your account will be updated and that address is no longer present. It's as easy as that. Address management, while simple, is an effective way to keep your account organized and ensure only up-to-date information is stored. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have more addresses to delete or update, you can follow these steps again to make your Shein address book work just right for you. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for following along. Remember, keep your app information current and tidy, and as always, happy shopping.